Okay, good morning, boys and girls. We're going to do some reviewing this morning of several skills that we've learned. All right, the first thing we're going to do is review skip counting. So you should have already practiced skip counting with the skip counting numbers within 1,000. So your standard says count within 1,000. Skip count by fives, tens, and thousands. All right, on Monday we practiced skip counting by fives, and Miss Spires did not realize she did not change the slide. So if you were able to figure this one out, you did a great job. All right, let's go over it. So the first slide we did followed the regular 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 pattern and on. Now this one is skip counting by fives, but it is not from a regular fives number. So it has 321, 326. So what they had to do is add 5 or skip count from 5 to the next number. So they said 321, 322, 323, 324, 325, 326 to get to the next number. All right, now let's add 5 more. So let's go to 326. All right, let's cover up the hundreds place. Let's work with 26. Add 5. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So we're looking for 331. There it is. So we can drag it up. All right, plus 5 more would be 336. Now let's add 5 more. All right, so let's count. Add 5 to 36, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So we're looking for 341. Do you see it? There it is. Now we add 5 more. All right, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 346. There it is. So it still follows a pattern. Let's look at it. 321, 326, 331, 336, 341, 346. So instead of ending with 0 or 5 like it normally would.
Miss Shiver and Miss Cravey, please report to the cafeteria. Miss Shiver and Miss Cravey, please report to the cafeteria.
So normally when you count by fives, it would end with 0 or 5. It's ending with 1 and 6 each time to form the pattern. How cool is that? All right, so let's look at the next one. 753, 758, 763, 700 what? Look at our pattern. 753, 758, 763. What do you think would be next? If we're not sure, let's add on 5. All right, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 768. Now let's look at the pattern. You should be able to see the pattern now. 753, 758, 763, 768. What would come next? going to go up a 10, so 773. All right, and after 773, what's my next one? 753, 758, 763, 768, 773, and what would be next? 778. These end in 3 and 8.
Attention staff, if you are riding a bus today to deliver meals, please report to the cafeteria. If you are riding a bus to deliver meals today, please report to the cafeteria at this time. Thank you.
All right, now let's figure out this pattern. 294. Let's count on 5. 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. 299. $294, $299, $304. All right, now we have to add 5 more. All right, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 309. And then our missing one is 314, so we're ending in 4 and 9 this time. 294, 299, 304, 309, 314, 319. Okay, we'll keep practicing. Let's practice a little 2-digit addition. All right, remember our standard tells us that we can add or subtract within 1,000. All right, using all the different strategies that we've learned in a written method. All right, so that's what we're working on. So we have a problem today, 37 plus 42. 37 plus 42. All right, we cannot solve this problem written horizontally, side to side. It has to be up and down, vertical. So we're going to set it up that way. All right, to do that, we need to use a T-chart to separate our tens from our ones because the value is different. All right, this line will be used like an equal sign, and down below it is where we put our answer or sum. So 37 has 3 tens and 7 ones. 42 has 4 tens and 2 ones. And I put my plus sign to the left side. Alright, I can put tens and ones on top. I can put a T and an O on top to remind me of my tens and ones because it's important. All right, which side do we always start adding on? We add on the one side first. They play hide and go seek. Your tens will hide first and your ones get to play first, always. So we can add. You can use any strategy you want to help you add. 7 plus 2 equals 7, 8, 9. Our answer is 9. We write it at the bottom. Then we go to our tens place next. 3 plus 4. What's 3 plus 4? 7. So my answer is 79. Alright, I've got another problem. 33 plus 32. I'm going to draw my T-chart to separate my tens and ones. Alright, that's my equal sign to separate my problem from my answer. 33 has 3 tens, 3 ones. 32 has 3 tens and 2 ones. My plus sign goes to the left. Label my tens and ones. Remember, you can put a T and an O to make it simple. Which side do we add first? Always your ones. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Then we can add the 10 side. 3 plus 3 equals 6. My answer is 65. Alright, let's do another one together. 73 plus 23. Make my T-chart. Equal sign separates my answer from my problem. 7 tens, 3 ones is 73. 2 tens, 3 ones, 23. Plus sign is to the left side. You don't want to get your numbers out of order, guys. Got to keep them in the right column. Alright, now always add the ones first. 3 plus 3 is 6. That's kicks. Then we do our tens. 7 plus 2, 9. Our answer is 96. The sum is 96. Alright, let's do one more. 62 plus 32. What do I do first? T-chart. Alright, in 62 there are, yes, 6 tens, 2 ones. In 32 there are 3 tens, 2 ones. Don't forget my plus sign. Label my chart, T and O. Where do I add first? Ones. Let's add them. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And 6 plus 3 equals 9. What's my answer, boys and girls? 94. Alright, in your blue packet, you have worksheets for adding 2-digit numbers without regrouping. You were supposed to do the back side of the worksheet yesterday for practice. Get that out now and let's check your work. Guys, I'm going to try to speak up so you can hear me. Let's go over it together. Alright, let's check your work. Right up at the top. Start with your ones. 48 plus 31. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Your answer should be 79. The next one, 33 plus 35. Your ones first. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. Your answer is 68. The next one. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 2 is 8. 83. The next one, 79 plus 10. Add your ones first. First, 8 plus 0 equals 9. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Your answer is 89. All right, Miss Spires is on the second row. $25 plus 64. Start with your ones. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 89. $22 plus 33. Start with your ones. 2 plus 3 is 5. And on the tens, it's the same. 2 plus 3 is 5. 55. 82 plus 16. Start with your ones. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 98. $53 plus 43. Ones placed first. 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 96. All right, the last row. 61 plus 16. Start with your ones. 1 plus 6 is 7. 6 plus 1 is also 7. Your answer is 77. $24 plus 65. Start with your ones. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 2 plus 6 is 8. 89. 80 plus 10. Start with your ones. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 90. And the last one, 73 plus 26. 3 plus 6 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 99. All right, down at the bottom, you have your Froggy bonus. Remember I said we're doing the bonuses. Max grew 15 carrots. Scott grew 34 carrots. How many carrots did they grow in all? All right, grow in all means add. That tells us to add. All right, what are the two important numbers? 15 and 34. So we're going to add 15 and 34 to find out how many in all. So I'm going to draw my T-chart with my tens and ones. So 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. 34 has 3 10s and 4 ones. Put my plus sign to the side. Alright, let me add. Alright, who's going to hide first? My tens. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Answer is 49 carrots in all. 49 carrots in all. Alright. If you missed any of these, you can circle them and go back to them. I'll take a picture of this so that if you didn't get it all checked, you can check it yourself in just a little bit after the video. All right, you're going to turn the page over. It's going to look like the page I'm about to show you. All right, it should look just like this one. So turn it over, and at the top you can write Tuesday. We write Tuesday on the side. Instead of putting your name, you can write Tuesday at the top, so you know this is our paper for Tuesday. All right, we're going to complete the top row together as practice, and then the rest you're going to complete as independent practice today. All right. Remember, when we have two-digit numbers, the most important thing we do is divide them into what? Into their tens and ones. All right, so I'm going to go through my first row and divide my tens from my ones with my T-chart. All right, you divide yours. Going to put a T for the tens place and an O for the ones place. Okay, now let's look at the first one. 42 plus 32. All right, where is the first place that we add? We always start in the ones. We play hide and go seek. Our tens hide, ones play first. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now it's the tens' turn to play. 4 plus 3 equals 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 74. 34 plus 31. All right, who hides first? Tens hide, the ones play. 4 plus 1? 5. And the tens play. 3 plus 3 is 6. 65. 25 plus 32. Who's going to hide first? Tens. Cover them up. Let the ones play. 5 plus 2. 5, 6, 7. Now the tens get to play. 2 plus 3. 3, 4, 5. 57. 4 46 plus 52. All right, hide your tens. Let your ones play. 6 plus 2. 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 98. All right, you're going to complete the rest of your page independently. Don't forget to set up your chart to divide your tens from your ones so that we don't get them mixed up, okay? Also, Nancy has 53 books. Myra has 45 books. How many books do they have together? All right. What are our key words? All right. How many books do they have? Together. Together means to add. So we're going to add. What are those numbers that we'll add? 53. What's the other number? 45. Okay, you're going to have to set it up just like we practiced earlier. Remember to make your T-chart with your tens and your ones and set it up. All right, we will go over it. Also, I'm going to make a practice Google Forms with all the review of all the different things we've been learning, like comparing numbers, number words, skip counting, so you can review some of those skills today. It's not for a grade, but some of this stuff is going to come up on a test soon. So I'm going to just put that in there just so you can have some practice, okay? I'll open it up so if you need to retake it, you can for extra practice. All right, do your best work today.